Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel. Now I have to leave it in there. Like, it was that stupid. Hi y'all, it's been a while. I know. I just wanted to pop in because I know my intros haven't really been intros for real, but I just wanted to pop in and thank y'all in person. Like, you know what I mean. I wanted you to see my face and like watch my mouth move and like hear the sound come out. When I thank y'all for 1,000 subscribers. I hit 1,000 subscribers on Christmas, I'm pretty sure, which was wild to me. It was like completely wild. I hit 1,000 subscribers on Christmas. Now it's January 28th, so I know I'm a little late. I'm sorry, but I've been trying to get my energy right, trying to make sure that if I come on camera, I'm presenting you guys with quality content, and I just haven't been in the headspace to do that recently, which is why I've been like up and down with my posting. But I thank you guys so much for everyone who subscribed, liked my videos, commented, or even just watched, because like watching still helps. Like, so I just thank you guys so much. But today I just wanted to show y'all how I did this little puff, because I got this kit from NappyRootz Beauty Supplies, NappyRootz Beauty Supply, because I can't speak. And it was their Mega Puff Madness kit, and the kit is supposed to have everything in it you need to basically do a puff. So I bought that kit and some other things to see if the Mega Puff Madness kit is really all you need for a puff. So if you want to see if the Mega Puff Madness kit from NappyRootz Beauty Supply is all you need to put your hair in a cute puff like this, keep on watching. Okay, no, but before we get into the video, we're gonna jump into the little unboxing part just so I can show you guys what everything looked like, because all of like the packaging was too cute for me not to film a little clip. Maybe it's longer than little, but like whatever. To the unboxing. Hi guys, my hair's a mess. Hi. I wanted to do a quick like unboxing part. I switched angles, so that's why this box is already cut open. Just want to show y'all like the outside packaging. Super cute. She has her logo. I cut through it, so I'll show it on this box. On this box, it comes with her logo. It'll have her Instagram and then a link to the website. I had opened this box already. I know it's weird not seeing my face, so yeah, but I had started to open this box and I saw like how cute it was on the inside. It was like, oh no, I have to save this for like the video. But this is what the box looks like inside. It's super cute. I was on the phone with my best friend when I opened it and I was like, oh, this is cute. So I had to close it and put it away so I wouldn't touch it. But in the box, it'll come with a thank you card. You'll get her card here. Damn. And then it'll have all like contact info and stuff on the back. I'm trying to open it. It's so cute. Okay, so it comes with a little sticker. Super cute. And then 2 Jolly Ranchers. I was about to say, I'm gonna pop one in my mouth right now, but that's obnoxious. So I'm gonna wait. So this is what the kit looks like. I did talk to Ashley, who's the owner of the beauty supply store, and she did say that the package was updating from this to what should be in this box back here. So just keep that in mind if you order like a kit and it doesn't come like this. But yeah, in this kit you get 2 little eco stylers, so those are in here. 3 oils. One is cocoa butter, one is argan, one is jojoba. It's looking like 2 combs, a pick, a brush, and then some hair ties. So it's lit. But this is what the packaging would look like if you were to order a kit now. Super cute. The bag is so cute. And we're gonna go ahead and open my Mega Puff kit. In this kit comes big hair ties. I can't put it against my shirt because my shirt is black. A hard bristle brush. I gotta put it back over here because Dummy decided to wear all black. So boom. You'll get a rat tail comb and an edge brush. So we have a cocoa butter oil, jojoba, and argan. If I can hold them all at once, which I can because I'm talented. A pick, one of the joints with the, you know. And then you get 2 like little eco stylers. So you get the argan oil, and then I think this is the sport. Oh, this says for curly textures. Oh, curl and wave. I didn't know that. Yeah. So you'll get these. We're gonna go back in the video to where I was doing my hair, or about to start, before I told you that, hey, I want to show you this unboxing. Bye, guys. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna start out with my mister bottle and just wetting the perimeter of my head so that I can go in with the gel. And I chose to use the curl and wave one just because I've never tried that one before, so I just wanted to see. But I'm just taking a little bit of it on my brush and just brushing the perimeter of my head till it's slick. And then I'm gonna take my comb. Typically I use the comb to go ahead and like detangle a little bit so that I can get my puff as high up as I want it. Just because I didn't detangle my hair before this, because you know I never detangle my hair, y'all. So that's just me doing a little bit of detangling so I can have my puff sit where I want it to. Right, then I'm taking this thick hair tie and I'm just gonna slide it right up my head and it's gonna be a puff. Then I take my pick and just fluff it out. Since I was working on basically like matted down hair, I just wanted to give it a little more volume. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my mister bottle again and just spray it down a little bit just so I'm able to pick it and fluff it a little bit easier. I didn't want to completely wet it down because my hair been going through it and it wouldn't have dried right, so yeah. And then I'm gonna take the jojoba oil and just put a little bit of that in my hair just so my hair is not completely like dried out and crispy. After that, I'm gonna take this same Eco Styler gel and just use that as edge control and just go ahead and lay my edges down. And that's basically it, y'all. Super quick and easy hairstyle, and all of the products that I use for it, including the tools, came from the kit. And this is the final look of my puff. So let's do a spin. What they call it, a microwave. Okay, joke's over. This is the final look of my puff. It was super quick and easy to do. I do want to reiterate, literally every tool that I used, including this spray bottle, which is so cute with this little wooden details, came from NappyRootz. Literally everything I used for my puff came out of the Mega Puff Madness kit. From the brush, the edge control, like the edge, not the edge control, the edge brush, the gel, which I eventually used as edge control. Even down to like the little bit of oil that I put on my hair afterwards and everything, all came from NappyRootz. My opinions on the kit, I think it's a good ass kit. If you're doing more of a ponytail versus a puff, this would still be a perfect kit for you because you get the hair ties, the gel, edge control brush, you get a pick, you get a rat tail comb, and you get the hard bristle brush. So honestly, this kit, these are the tools that come in this kit. I got the color purple. Okay, so all of this was $35. So all of that for $35. Honestly, I think it's a good deal. NappyRootz does have more kits as well, so you can definitely check them out for that. If you saw this kit and was like, oh, okay, they're doing a little something, you can check out the other kits they have on the website as well. The website to NappyRootz Beauty Supply Store will be in my description box, as well as their Instagram and Facebook. And NappyRootz is also Black owned, so you know I was definitely giving my support. And then Ashley, the owner, the CEO, she's always been super nice. So I will leave all the links for NappyRootz. I'll leave the link to the website and link to any socials down there in that description box. Make sure y'all go check out NappyRootz for all of your beauty supply store needs. We're supporting Black owned business. So go ahead, check out NappyRootz and support Black owned business. But yeah, it's actually turned out really cute. And this headband honestly doesn't feel too tight. It doesn't feel like it's giving me a headache either, so that's cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment if you feel like it. And you can also subscribe to my channel. We're at like almost at like 1,100 subscribers, so that's pretty crazy, so thanks. I don't know, I post like twice and then I'll disappear for like a month and you guys still rock with me and I don't know how. So I appreciate literally every single one of you. Don't forget, if you need anything, my social medias will be in the description box, so you can DM me. Or if you feel comfortable in the comments, you know, that's cool too. But I just thank you guys so much. And I will see y'all in my next video.